Hi there, welcome to StorePress tutorial series. Today I'm going to show you how to create variable products in WooCommerce from scratch. Before heading to create variable product, first you need to create product attribute and its variation globally. So head to the attributes page from the product settings. Now you are on the global attribute page. From here you can create any number of attribute you want. To create your desired product attribute, fill the name field with your desired attribute title. For demonstration purpose, I have termed my attribute name as color. After specifying your desired attribute name, you can leave slug, enable archive settings and default short option as it is because these options are optional. Save the changes by clicking on add attribute button. You will notice a list of attribute has been created. So it's time to create variation for my color attribute. Press the configure term link to navigate the variation list page. From this page you can insert any number of variation for your selected attribute. I will add red, green and blue variations for my attribute. Let's add each variation one by one. Fill the name field with your desired variation name. I will fill the name field with red and press add new color button. Like the first variation, I will repeat the same process to add green and blue variation. So now we have our attribute and its variation have been created. It's time to link the newly created attribute with a product. The default WooCommerce product type is simple. To create a variable product, navigate to add new from the product settings. Fill the product name field with your desired product title and add some description as well. Make sure you have variable product type selected from the product data drop down. After that, from the attribute tab, select the newly created attribute from the custom product attribute drop down. As I have created a color attribute, it's showing color attribute on my end. So I am going to select the attribute and press the add button. Select all button adds entire attribute at once, whereas select none button will do the opposite. I will select all button for now and check use for variation setting as well. Pressing the save attribute button, get inside the variation tab. Hover over the add variation drop down. It will reveal another option called create variation from all attributes. Add variation will add each variation one by one. Create variations from all attribute option will add variations making combination of all available attributes. As I have a few variations for my color attribute, I am going to select the create variations from all attribute option and press the go button. You can notice I have my variations for my color attribute are listed one after another. Before describing settings for individual variations, I am going to expand all the variation settings selecting the expand link. Price is the mandatory field for each variation, but others are optional. Make sure all variations have their price set, otherwise variations will not show up in the product frontend. For now, I will recommend you to add a featured image for each variation. The featured image will appear after the selection of corresponding variation in the frontend. I'm going to add variation featured images pressing the image icon. First, I will add image for blue variation, then green and red variation. We're about to finish the tutorial. Before publishing this variable product, I will recommend you to add featured image for this product itself. This featured image will appear when no variation is selected. Set the featured image and press the publish button. Head to this product frontend. So our variable product has been successfully published. Try to change each variation one by one. You can notice variation price and images are changing according to our input. So now we have our variable product is ready, but I have something to show you. The variation select drop down requires some extra click for a visitor to check available variation for a product. The technology has evolved. You can turn this variation select drop down into beautiful buttons. To enable button for these variations, head to the site backend and navigate to add new from the plugin setting. Search for variation swatches. Now install and activate variation swatches plugin for WooCommerce by Imran Ahmed. It's the most popular and feature-rich swatches plugin. At the time of my recording, 90,000 stores are using it and around 223 people have given their feedbacks. So when the plugin is successfully activated, head to the product frontend and refresh the page. You can notice the variation select dropdown has been converted into buttons. I believe this plugin will boost your conversion and sales. For more settings, you can check the plugin settings on your own. So that's all for today. See you in the next video.